Hi guys, welcome back to MidshireTV, the channel for all of your business communications technology needs. Today, we're taking on a challenge. Note to remote working in 60 seconds. What? Just check. Many of our customers already benefit from a hosted telephone system, but are used to having the desk phone back in the office. In this new world we live in, many need better access to their communications tools while working remotely. So you've spoken to your account manager and they've agreed to activate the HostX Collaborate software. You'll receive 3 emails, one with the application download, dead easy to install, one with the username and one with the password, which you enter here. Tick to remember password as it'll save a bit of time. Instantly, you've got the functionality of your phone system and more at your fingertips. Now to start my conference with those guys working from home. Go to my room, drag in the people I need, and let's get some work done. Hi guys! And on that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified of any future videos. If you want to chat about your telecoms, please do give us a call on 08000 322 322. Thanks again, see you next time, and don't forget, we are the business communications experts.